What's up, it's QueenSit. I'm back with another video. What's good? Before we start this video, let's set the vibe. All right, we're gonna set the vibe real quick. All right, we just setting the incense on fire to get that good smells going. If it smells good, you feel good. Boom, there we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Positive vibes only. All right, so if you came in here with any negative, any anger from work or whatever, let it go right now. We just finna enjoy a good time. We finna talk about these motorcycles and we finna enjoy the video. All right, so let me sit up. All right, so as promised, yesterday I dropped the video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I met everyone in Knoxville, Tennessee last weekend, and in this video today, we are actually going to go on a group ride. Here's the thing, on the group ride, I may or may not have gotten lost. That's all I can say. You just gotta stay tuned to see what happened. But your girl had some technical difficulties, but let's see what happened. I'm not gonna tell you. You have to watch it, all right? But before we get started with this video, I do have a quick update. I will be at Sturgis this year. So Sturgis, South Dakota, QueenSit will be in the building. I will be there all weekend. It's going down. So if you come into Sturgis, come through, say what's up, let's link. This is gonna be my first time. I have no idea what to expect. I have no idea. So I'm planning it right now. Riding a road glide, I think. And it's gonna be crazy. I'm so excited. So yeah, just gotta give you the quick update. Anyway, shout out to Harley for this shirt. And that's it. We finna start this video. Let's go.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
Look at the baby. Yes, sir. Dang, that's a good
Feel like royalty sitting on here.
It's fit for a queen or king. Bootlegger Harley Davidson, y'all. Woo! Super dope.
That's up here, right?
Yes. Y'all. What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit. We at Bootlegger Harley Davidson, and we got a little rider here. Roll on the back of a road glide. How far did that go?
We from Atlanta.
From Atlanta. She rode on the back. How was it?
I was tired. I tried to fall asleep, but my dad wouldn't let me.
You wouldn't let me go to sleep. Then I wake up. Hold on. How was the ride though?
Good. You know, I guess I'm going fast enough to keep her excited.
Yeah.
I didn't want to
Well,
go
nice
off.
meeting y'all.
Yeah.
So nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Boom. What's up? You want to introduce yourself?
This is my girl, man. She's like on that road glide.
Yes.
Bad to the bone.
Hey, I appreciate
and
it.
that street bob. Yeah.
Hey, where you from?
Here. Like
Here. And she pulled up on us, and we outside. Let's go. We are getting ready to go on a ride, baby. We got all the bikes out. It's going down. So excited. Everyone's out. It's a good time. It's a good time. It's a good time. Yeah. What? Let's go. Oh my God. Yo.
Let's go.
All right, so right now we're getting ready to go on the group ride. People from all over came to ride with us, and there were about 80 people, I think. I don't know, it's an estimate, but there were a lot of people nonetheless, and it's gonna be crazy. So I'm getting prepared to ride, and let's see what happens. There were a lot of people who stayed back because the rain was about to start, and actually at this point raindrops were actually falling a little bit, so I didn't even feel like riding in the rain because I rode the day before the rain, so but we kept going anyway. And right here, my friend Glenn is waving 2 fingers to let everyone know that we're going to be in 2 lanes. So we should be one behind the other in 2 lines. So I'm actually going to get over and ask him if I can get in front of him, because I wanted to be behind Barber CVO 19 because he had the 360 camera. So we collabed on that. I'm going. All right, right here I'm looking really focused. I'm trying to make sure that everyone's falling in line. If you're new to this channel, I'm not really a big group rider. I'm a solo rider most of the time, and nothing against it, I just prefer to ride alone. So this is probably my 4th group ride my entire motorcycle career, so yeah, I was getting used to it. So in this moment, I noticed that my gas gauge is almost at E. I did not get any gas before we started the group ride, so my heart is racing and I'm nervous now. So what am I gonna do? All right, y'all. Funny story. So I'm in a group ride. I look down at my fuel gauge. I don't have any gas and the ride just started. All those bikes. So I'm like, oh my God, do I keep going and run out of gas on this route, or do I stop at a gas station? So I stopped at the gas station and thought I could catch up. And I saw them. So once I got my gas, I took off and I see them in the distance making a right. And I missed the turn. So by the time I tried to catch up, they're long gone. So now here I am, lost. So I got lost on the group ride. Yeah, and so that's why I don't ride in groups and stuff, because I forget things like getting gas. But I meant to get gas this morning, but I was going to be late for the meet and greet. And then when we were at the meet and greet, there was never really time to go get gas. They had my bike up in the top of the Harley. So by the time we got ready to go, it was already time. So I'm going to go grab some pizza over here and go back to the Harley Davidson and see everybody when they get back. All right, let's go. All right, so in my group text message, someone texted me an address to the next location, and they said they're gonna wait for me there. So they realized I'm not a part of the group. Everyone calls and texts me and wants me to link back up. So right now I'm headed to go find the group. I did not get my pizza. It was on the time frame, so I was 5 minutes away. So let's see if I can find them. All right, so I pull up to the address location and no one is there. I'm looking around, I don't see any bikes. So I pull over and actually sit on my bike for about 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna get a phone call and they're gonna give me the address to the Harley Davidson next to the Dragon, the tail of the Dragon. So yeah, it's a journey. There were some really beautiful roads on the way to find the group, so I actually sat back, relaxed, and enjoyed the ride because I was here to ride and that's what I was doing. So it was definitely an experience, but well worth it.
All of us, they sitting there posted waiting on the Queen.
Dang! I've been killing at a gas station.
I'ma need the whole night and a little bit more.
after about a 30-minute ride, I finally find them at this Harley Davidson, and everyone's chilling and waiting. Shout out to Traveling Tall and all of those guys for waiting on me and letting me catch back up with the group, because I definitely enjoyed being with the group and riding with everyone. This was such an amazing experience, and I'm so grateful to be able to have experienced it. So here we are.
Oh, so it was more white.
Whoa, it's so pretty out here. So I found the group. I had to get gas, but we're here now.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah. So after we all linked back up, we hopped back on the road to explore Knoxville, Tennessee, the beautiful roads. I definitely miss it since being back in St. Louis, and we just took our time and enjoyed the scenery, and it was such a good feeling riding together. So enjoy some of these views, because this is one to remember, so we'll always have this memory. So in this clip, one of our friends was riding on the other side of the road, and it had me a little uneasy because the corners and curves were coming and you couldn't see who's flying around the corners. So I kind of relaxed a little bit and fell back, and that's why group rides make me a little nervous, because things are unpredictable, but everyone was safe. Everyone had a great time, but definitely have to be cautious on these rides. So I got back in my groove, and we headed to the top of one of the mountains in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we stopped and took pictures and enjoyed the clips. So dope. Traveling Tall right there. Robert Simmons somewhere. And look at this view. Oh my God. Man, I love this life. All right, so I had to get the drone out, and I flew the drone and got some amazing shots of all the bikes, of the roads out there in Knoxville, Tennessee. It's just beautiful. Definitely love bringing that. I got a group shot of us, and for the rest of this video, I'm going to leave about a 3-minute clip so you can just enjoy us riding. Let's go. All right, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I have so much more to come. I'm loving my new apartment, the new setup. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here. If you've already been here, shout out to you. Thank you for being one of the QueenSit family. I appreciate it. And that's it. Knoxville, Tennessee, and we just got through with the ride. I had to get some pizza. That's it.